Installing FreeFit floors. Installing FreeFit only requires a tape measure, utility knife, and gecko tape. Acclimate FreeFit at room temperature between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours before the installation. For best results, cut open the back of the box but do not remove FreeFit. Industry norms suggest having an additional 10% of product on hand for modification, trim, and future replacement. Subfloor preparation. Clear the area of dirt, debris, or other obstructions and fill in any large cracks with a cement patch compound. Skim coat ceramic tile grout lines with a leveling compound. FreeFit can be installed over most existing floors, including wood, vinyl, linoleum, ceramic tile, concrete, OSB, and asbestos tile. Subfloor should be level to within 1/8 of an inch for every 10 feet. FreeFit does not warrant its product when installed over carpet, cushion sheet vinyl, soft underlayments, chemically abated subfloors, or with unapproved adhesives. Installing FreeFit. Apply gecko tape or trowel-on gecko glue or other approved adhesives along the perimeter. Beginning in a corner, pull back the top layer of gecko tape or trowel a 3-inch wide strip of gecko glue along the perimeter. Begin laying FreeFit planks or tiles tightly against the wall in a single row. Check to make sure the first row is flush and square to ensure subsequent rows remain tight without gaps. Use a utility knife and straight edge to cut half, quarter, and 1/3 size planks when starting new rows to create a staggered installation. Continue to pull back the gecko tape or trowel-on gecko glue to secure the first and last plank or tile of each subsequent row. Always place the cut end of the plank or tile against the wall to ensure interior planks and tiles are aligned factory edge to factory edge. Ensure each new plank or tile is installed tightly against the previous plank or tile and row. Use a small bead of silicone along the perimeter to prevent moisture penetration between FreeFit and the wall. Replacing FreeFit is simple. Pull up the damaged FreeFit plank or tile and lay down a new one in its place, following the same procedures for acclimation and subfloor preparation. This easy installation method equally applies to FreeFit 18x18 and 12x24 tiles. Utilize gecko tape in a grid pattern or fully spread gecko glue or other FreeFit approved adhesives when facing high volume commercial foot traffic, heavy rolling loads, or sweeping temperature changes associated with heating vents, radiators, fireplaces, wood-burning stoves, large appliances, or windows without blinds. Modularity. All FreeFit products are designed in 6-inch increments for easy mix and matching and to encourage creativity. Thanks for choosing our product and learning about FreeFit.